In this module, we will look at constructive trusts. A constructive trust will arise in any situation where an owner of property either ignores or interferes with the rights of another person with an interest in that property. Under the Law of Property Act, there is no requirement for constructive trusts to have any particular formalities on creation. For them to be valid, however, the defendant or trustee of the constructive trust must know that he has dealt with property in an unconscionable manner. A constructive trust does not arise where a defendant or trustee acts in such a way that is unconscionable, but he does not know it. But a trust does arise as soon as he is advised that his actions are wrong, fraudulent, or deceitful. Constructive trusts are institutional in nature, meaning that they arise by operation of law without the intervention of the court, and arise where the trustee or defendant knowingly acts unconscionably. The court simply affirms its existence from the date of that action, although, in reality, the existence of the constructive trust will be disputed until the court finally settles the question. Let's look at the following example. A woman and a man are cohabitees who purchase a freehold property. The property is registered in the man's sole name, because the woman is unable to obtain a mortgage. However, they agree prior to the purchase of the property that it will belong to both of them, provided that the woman agrees to forgive a number of debts that the man owes to her in relation to his business, equating to half of the money that the man has paid for the deposit. The couple later separate, and the man claims that the property belongs to him absolutely. In this case, the man holds the property on a constructive trust for himself and the woman. The parties can demonstrate that there was an oral agreement between them prior to acquiring the property, to the effect that they would both own the property, although it is registered in the man's name only. The woman has not contributed directly to the purchase price, therefore a resulting trust would not arise. The property is held on trust for both of them, since the man also directly contributed one half of the deposit.